Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways to hide your following list on Instagram. First, you should go and open your Instagram application on your phone. Then once you open it, you should go to your profile by clicking on this icon on the bottom right corner. And now we have 3 ways. The first way is simply go to followers. Then you should now choose one of the followers that you have. You should just click on them. Then what you should do is to click on these 3 dots on the top right corner. Then click on remove follower. So after clicking on remove follower, this person will not be able to see my following list. Now that was the first way. The second way is to simply go to this 3 bars on the top right corner. Then you should scroll down till you get account privacy. Just click on it and make sure to make your account private. So toggle this on, click on switch to private, then click on OK. But be careful, if you have a business account like this one right here, you will not be able to make it a private account. So this option is only useful for personal accounts. But when you try to toggle it on, it will be toggled on easily and you will hide your following list on Instagram. Now the third way is very simple, and to do so, you should now report a problem or contact the support of Instagram. Now go to these 3 bars on the top right corner. Then now you should search for help or report a problem. So scroll down till you get this option right here. Click on help and click on report a problem. Then you should toggle this one right here on this option below. Then click on go back and shake phone. Then I'm gonna go back to following and I'm gonna shake my phone. And here, as you can see, I have this option, report a problem. Click on report a problem. And now you can simply click on include and continue, or you can click on don't include and to continue. So I'm gonna click on include and continue. And after that, I will be able to contact the support of Instagram. Now I'm gonna type my issue. So I'm gonna type good evening, for example. I need to hide my following list. It's personal, for example. And after that, you can simply click on send. Then Instagram support will chat with you and solve your problem. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new tutorial.